Hey guys, today I'm gonna make this banana lokum with walnuts. It's very sweet and super easy. All we need is banana jelly powder, some water, some sugar, and cornstarch, and some walnuts. Where is it? What are you doing? Walnuts. Okay, let's go. Mix together sugar, water, jelly powder. Then add slowly cornstarch, add some walnuts and stir it over low heat like this. After 20 minutes, we remove it from the heat. Now, first of all, add some cornstarch. Stop it! Then pour the mixture spread it flat like this.
Wow.
Add cornstarch again on it. Don't do that again. Okay. Put it in the fridge 2 hours. Okay, now after 2 hours in the fridge, cut into pieces. You can try this lokum with different flavor of fruit or jelly like banana, orange, strawberry. It's ready to serve.